Hello everybody, it's David here with a video recap of my SPX DTE 0 strategy trades. Today's video I'll be reviewing today, the 25th of April, but I also owe a recap of last week. I wasn't able to post any videos last week, so I'll just use the time today just to review last week's trades. Not in too much detail because I tend to look at charts, etc. I'll just look through the trades themselves and what my thinking was behind the days that I traded. So to start with, I'll go through today's trades, which was 25th of April. So I traded, started off the day with a vertical call spread, which was at the 4300 strike and a 25 point wide long leg. This was at the 16 delta, and I was looking today to capture 50% of this premium. So I took in a $235 credit, and it was opened at 9:43 this morning. So just going into the chart itself, today obviously we've came back in today on the back of a huge drop over the last two trading days, Thursday and Friday of last week. 4500 down to 4275, so nearly 250 point drop in 2 days. And then this morning we gapped down because of the futures trades overnight. We reached a bottom around 4200, which is in line with all the other support around here in February and March. So not a great surprise that we got a little bit of a reaction here today. However, at the time of the trade, if I just drop into a little bit more detail, I opened my trade at 9:43, so around about here. So we did have a drop, gap down, drop, another drop, and I think I got into the trade just as we were settling into this sort of range here, around 9:45. And as I say, it was a call spread today. I wasn't interested in taking any put spreads just because of this price action over the past 2 days. So I was happy just to take the call spread at a 16 delta. And also because I was expecting a little bit of a bounce today, I was going to take 50% profit or the 3 times credit loss, which is my normal strategy. My usual strategy, I should say, is to take a $10 target, so sell the premium and then buy back at $10, but today I was going to buy back at 50% profit, which is a slight change to how I normally do things. So I was able actually to get in and out of that trade really quickly. So I was in at 9:43 and I was out at 10:17 for almost 55% profit target. And that was me till about 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. This afternoon, as you know, we had quite a large move to the upside, and about 2 o'clock I was looking at the volume and open interest for SPX, and there was a clear indication of a price point that was showing a significant amount of volume and open interest. I'm just bringing it up now so you can see what my thought process was. So the 4300 strike, so earlier on today about 2:30, it's still showing a huge volume compared to the other prices around it. And at 2:30 it was sitting at around 30,000 volume, as opposed to a number of other price points that were about half that. So I felt that 4300 at the time was a good bet for a call spread. So I paid $20 for a 5-point wide butterfly at the 4300 strike price, and that gave us an hour and a half for the price to hit that target. At the time, at 2:30, 2:30 was here, so the price was around about 460. So it still had a little bit of momentum to get up to that 4300. For $20, I thought it was a worthwhile bet, and I was lucky enough to come out with a $90 credit, so $70 profit in total. So $115 on the credit spread and $70 on the butterfly. So that was my trades for today. If we drop back into Friday, which was an incredible day all round, market just sold off all day with no buying whatsoever. I opened up a iron condor at 946 and 954, so put spread and a call spread. I took in about $385 of credit, and on Friday, with the same reasoning as today, I was looking for a 50% profit target. I just didn't like the market action on Friday. Even at that early stage, I could tell that the day was going to be a bearish day, so I wanted to get in and out as quickly as possible. And then I was lucky enough to get out within 25 minutes for a almost 50% return. And if I just look at the total for Friday, 22nd of April, that was $112 profit after the commissions. So that I was really lucky on Friday. Okay, the next trading day for me was 20th of April. So let me just bring up the 20th of April. 20th of April, a few more trades on the 20th. Call, put, stopped out of the call, put another call spread on, took off the call for $10, got a $35 credit for another put and took that one off for $10. So all in all, after commissions on the 20th of April, $6.33. And I think I made a comment on the Facebook page about that. All that effort for $6, but at least it wasn't a loss, because I did take a $315 hit on that stop out. So next trading day was the 19th of April, which is a non-DTE 0 day. So I took a trade in SPY that day, and that was a, that was a $50 profit, but I need to just check. The start date of that was the day before, I think. Yeah, so SPY, I took a $38 credit for a 430, 435 put spread, 3 contracts, and I bought that back for $19, so that was a $19 profit times 3 contracts. I also opened up a butterfly, but that's a different trade and a different strategy. So the 19th of April, I was able to take in a $50 profit, and the last day from last week was the 18th, and that was a DTE 0 day. So I'll just find the trades for the 18th. SPX. Yeah, iron condor, number of trades in and out during the day, and I think the total on the 18th was $16. So again, I had a couple of stopped out trades, so whenever I get stopped out, I start to look just to recover recover from loss, basically. So if I come out break even, I'm happy if I get stopped out. So I was able to recover and just have a small $16 profit. So how does that look in terms of my profit and loss? So I've been meaning to share this with you for a while now. So my running total from the 7th of February. I've now reached a profit of $4,136 using the DTE 0 trading strategy since the 7th of February. So not a bad return for this. So yeah, hopefully, I apologise I'm not able to go into as much detail as normal in terms of my trades for last week. And this week, just to recap the day today, it was let's just bring it up, reset it back to day 1, reset SPX. So just to recap today, it was a single call spread leg, 16 delta and a 50% profit target with a 25 point wide leg, and I was able to get in and out of that trade for in 30 minutes actually, and then just a butterfly at the end of the day, using the volume and open interest to see where the most likely strike point for close would be, and I was lucky enough to nearly hit the target on that one. So I hope this video makes sense. Any questions or comments, feel free to update my comments or in the Facebook Tasty Trades page. Thank you, bye.